Hey, what's going on? So today we're going to be talking about something that's super duper easy, converting mixed numbers to improper fractions and vice versa. I'm going to skip all the fluffy stuff today and we're just going to go ahead and get straight to the point. If you want to convert a mixed number into an improper fraction, you're going to multiply the whole number by the denominator and then add what you got to the numerator. And then if you want to go the other way around, then you got to divide the numerator by the denominator. Your quotient, the number on top of your division bar, is going to be the whole number in your mixed number. The remainder is going to be the numerator of your new fraction. And the denominator that you started with is the denominator you're going to have in your answer. See? Real simple. Alright, let's get started taking a look at a couple examples here. We want to start by converting 2 5/7 into an improper fraction. All we got to do is follow our steps here. We're going to take our 2, our whole number, and multiply it times the denominator. 2 times 7 is 14. We're going to take this number and add it to the numerator. 5 and 14 together give us 19. And we keep our denominator the same, 7. So 2 5/7 is the same as 19/7. How about 3 6/11? Same thing, we're going to take our 3 and multiply it by the denominator, this time 11. 3 times 11 gives us 33. We take this number here and we add it to this number here in the numerator. 33 and 6 together give us 39. And our denominator is 11. So 3 6/11 is the same as 39 over 11. Let's go ahead and mix it up here and go the other direction. By the way, if you missed my mixed number joke right there, I feel bad for you. But let's go ahead. We're trying to turn these improper fractions into mixed numbers. We do so by dividing the top by the bottom. Real simple here. 9 goes into 31 3 times. 9 times 3 is 27. Take that away. 31 minus 27 is 4. And that is our remainder. To set up our mixed number for 31 over 9, what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at the quotient, the number in the top there, and that's going to represent the whole number of our mixed number. Our remainder is going to be the new numerator. And then our original denominator, seen here as 9, is going to be our new denominator again. So 31 over 9 is the same as 3 and 4/9. Let's do the same thing for 16/3. Start by setting up your division, numerator divided by denominator, so 16 divided by 3, like so. Now we ask how many times does 3 go into 16? Of course it's 5. 3 times 5 is 15. 16 minus 15 is 1. This is our remainder. Setting up our mixed number for 16/3, we're going to have the whole number 5. Our numerator is the remainder 1, and then the original denominator was 3, so 16/3 is the same as 5 1/3. See, would I lie to you? That was really easy. If you want to go from a mixed number to an improper fraction, times the whole number by the denominator, add it to the top, there you go. If you want to go the other way around, you have to divide the numerator by the denominator. The quotient is going to represent the whole number in your mixed number, and the remainder is the new numerator. The denominator stays the same no matter what. So there you have it. Let's quit wasting each other's time, and you just go ahead and get to practicing, and I'm just going to shut up. So, I'm out. Later.